as we teased before, this is our 1969 Boston Whaler. It's a 13-foot. We got it for a pretty good deal back in the real late fall. While the boys are taking a quick nap, I figured I'd pull it out, talk about it a little bit, what we're going to end up doing. The hull is in actually really great shape. The gentleman we bought it from, we were trying to make it into a duck boat, so it was all spray painted, like a camo brown. The plan is to take it all the way back down to fiberglass. We're going to repaint the inside for non-slip with a real light blue outside and make it look really nice. This is going to end up being the boys' boat when they get a little bit older. For now, we're going to keep the original setup of the side console. Eventually, possibly turn it into a mini center console. Got the original Johnson 28 horsepower motor. That is, it does run. The trailer is going to need a lot. New leaf springs, possibly a new axle, new tires, new jack, new hitch, all new lighting. The inside is mahogany, so we're going to sand that all down and get it looking good. Go through the wiring, put the navigation lighting on, the 360 light, and the bow lighting. That's all for now. Down the road, we're thinking about putting making it into a mini center console. We picked this boat because it's a 13-foot. It's only 320 pounds dry. It has been kept inside in a garage for a majority of its life. So there's no. These have often an issue with the foam rotting underneath. In between the two shells, the closed cell foam gets wet and it ends up getting waterlogged. This does not have that issue, luckily. We also picked it so it could fit in our garage. So when it's not being used, it can be stored. It's all pretty much superficial. As you can see, I started taking a resurfacing tool. I started pulling everything down. It does have a lot of grazing. I mean, the boat is 57 years old. So we're just going to freshen it up. It's going to be a project for me and the boys to build around. Paintwork ourselves, inside and out. We're going to take when the boat gets flipped to the bottom side, we're going to take the trailer up to my parents a couple times away with the trailer to get it roadworthy. So eventually for the winter time, it's going to go down to the shore house. The transom is actually in really good shape for its age. We got very lucky finding this. Go and leave down in the comments how much you think we paid for it. Let's have a little bit of fun with that. So for the timeline for this build, we're thinking I'm hoping for about a year. I would like to get in the water for the spring. We also, where I started boating up at Grinnell Lake, New York and New Jersey. It's a bi-state lake here, Passaic County, New Jersey, and also Rockland or Orange County, New York. We don't get up there as often as we used to. Eventually, this is going to be we're going to run this up there. Like I said, it's going to be a budget build, so it's going to be a step-by-step process. Paint's pretty expensive. The truck bed liner's going to be expensive, so we're going to do it, based on a budget of a family of 5 living here. So we picked this boat because it's small and garageable. That's to be easy for the boys to learn, and I also want them to learn how to work with their hands, fix stuff up, be crafty, learn a trade. Nice little project boat for us, and also one of the biggest influences is the shallow draft. The bay we fish on, most of it, there's very pretty good deep spots. Most of them, the majority of the middle, even at high tide, could possibly be 3 feet for 2004 Century, has an 18-inch draft. getting in and out of some of the corners and getting up against the sod to do some bank fishing is nearly impossible. Eventually, this is very stable for two, three full grown adults to fish off of. It is rated for 4 maximum. Eventually, this will be for the boys to drive around the lagoons, go up to Greenland Lake. My parents have oceanfront property up in down East Maine. That will be showcasing pretty soon. Tiffany and I discussed was some viewer engagement. So why don't we drop some comments down on what we should name the as we call it now, as of right now, it's the little boat, or Joey calls it his boat. So just drop some comments down and let us know what you think the name should be. Thank you for joining in Saltwater Legacy. We really appreciate it. If you could like and subscribe, join into our Instagram and also Facebook. Joey and Declan are really enjoying this. In years to come, I'm sure Emma will too. We decided to start this project before fall, just because we're not getting down the shore to go fish and do the lagoon life down there for the next few weeks while Emma grows, has her doctor's appointments and so forth. So leave a comment, tell us what you feel the name should be. Thank you very much.